10 feet of water covered portions of Rose Island. When the waters receded, the damage was too great to reopen. The Portersville Bridge was built in 1912 to span the east fork of the White River between Dubois and Davis counties. In March 1913, only months after the Portville Bridge was completed, a record flood on the White River covered the bridge floor under 2 feet of rushing water. The handrails were removed to allow damaging debris to pass through the bridge. Because of the flood, the bridge was raised 3 feet higher in May of 1913. In 1999, the bridge was closed to traffic after 86 years of operation. Charlestown State Park acquired the bridge in 2008. It was disassembled. Take the sand out of your shoe.
How far is it? 9 point what miles? 0.9 miles.
This is the shape. These are berries. I'm not sure what kind.
It's alive.
Oh, dude. Oh, hang on.
There's tons of baby spiders
look,
on it.
it's a wolf spider.
Oh no.
Ew, no.
Don't
Here.
touch it. Go on. Oh, that's so bad.
Oh, that's disgusting.
There's tons of baby ones on it.
Yeah.
Is the mom dead and then they just stay on her and feed off her?
Yeah.
Maybe.
When the mom dies,
not
they
sure.
feed off.
Yeah, okay. Let's go.
Oh yeah, that's a wolf.
Zoomed in.
Is it? Wait, hold on. I want to see. Yeah, it's partly dead. No, she's alive.
It's alive, but it's not moving.
It's huge. Look at those legs. The boat, the tiny spiders.
Struggling. Struggling.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you can go crazy.
Don't forget, it's made out of iron.
Everything like that.
Before I came up to where?
But look where, I mean, if you look where we're at compared to.
Mom, why are these markings on here?
People just mark it, that's all.
How much you want to bet? That tree up there was around back then.
Oh my goodness, that's a beautiful tree.
Go this way. This way for the road.
I would say that is probably an old fountain of some sort.
I was thinking
But
it was a cook.
does it say anywhere?
It just says dance halls. So I was just like, this could probably be part of the kitchen or. On the pool?
Who wants to go swimming?
Mom.
That's a big pool.
Yeah, that's
Finley, you're going in the deep end.
Ew! Look at the tiny long leg.
That's a deep flood.
Hey Dad, can you go down here? Because we know we're waiting.
Yeah, you can. Just be careful.
I'm gonna go down. Go.
That's not careful.
Carry that rock all the way to the pond. No, we can grip on it, then we're gonna fall on the that thingy. Yeah.
Here, actually, let's just stay up here.
Guys, wait! Was this the flood of the water? Oh my, that's it.
Well, the water was much higher than this.
Much higher. It'd be like, a boy swimming in the water?
A boy was swimming in the water?
Up to like, that's a bluegill. That's a blue. Oh yeah.
That's a great blue heron.
A great blue heron? Oh yeah, you can feel it. You can slippery. Oh, that's it. The water's so warm. Yeah, it is. Okay. What is that? No. Oh, well.
What is that?
It's being attacked.
Is it?
Yeah. What's it have on it? A dragonfly. No, it has
Oh, yeah, the dragonfly is attacking it.
yeah. Also, it's got something underneath it, it looks like.
No, it's a...
It's just its wings.
if I can keep track of it, I can't. Oh, there's another one.
They're also pretty.
Whoa, they like those flowers.
Apparently. What, like those flowers? Butterflies. I'll try and hold them.
There's like 4 of them right there.
Yeah, you got it. And I'm gonna try to open this yard slippery. Whoa. It's like, no, I actually just want the flowers. Although mine's not very cool. I don't even know. See how it's brown? Dad, can I throw these in the water? I'm gonna throw these in the
What's wrong with you?
It was too late. I was already ready. Grab it.
What?
I'm getting a big one on this. Oh, I almost.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll vote when we get back up there then.
Mom,
It's cool. I think there's probably some others that might
Mom,
find
does
that
this
one
one
out.
look like a bathroom? Oh, Dad, do you know what Cora's found?
What did he find?
The rock. Look what's on top of it.
What is it? What is it?
This. I forget what it's called.
Oh, okay.
Here, grab onto its leg. Koa, if you hold
What is it? Let's see.
I will not let it crawl on me though, because
I can't see it. Here.
is that there?
Yeah, right there. There you go. Let it crawl on you.
That's not it. How about you take it?
It's not that bad.
Here,
It's just,
not that bad.
yeah, it falls off. Eddie, it's like a mini
Koa, here, look.
game of what's the game that it's a mini game of? The wobble ball.
Gaga ball.
Wobble ball.
Oh. I don't think that's what it is, but dude, imagine playing Gaga ball with cement. Oh my word, dude.
What was the most surprising thing you saw today?
The pool.
The pool?
This.
That rock?
There's 3 pillars. They're pretty cool.
The 3 pillars?
This.
That rock is the most surprising?
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy.
Me and the
The height of the flood water.
Sounds good.
Mom.
What was your favorite part?
The.
I'm missing you guys. Pretty clearly.
I say the
Can you guys look and smile real quick? 1, 2, 3. Now a nice one. Now a silly one. Silly.
We said silly, guys.
Hannah's just looking normal.
Look at that wheel. Where's the trail?
It's way down there.
Well, okay. That was so scary. That's so scary.
What was scary?
That I was talking about water.
Did we see? Did you see a crocodile? Oh, look at that green bug.
Yeah. It's so cool.
That is so cool, isn't it?
It can crawl out of your hand, then it can jump, then it can fly, then it's dead.
Whoops.
Mom,
Can you make it?
from the hotel, this probably was part of it.
Was it?
Yeah, I think so. It looks like a wall piece. Mom, do you think this is part of? Oh.
He wants to get away.
Does
It's like it just.
No, it's just
You turn
crawling.
your hand.
Can I hold it? I don't know. That's not going to be my pet.
Why not?
Getting.
Because I want a cat.
What? You want a cat?
You already have
Because I
2.
miss Zuzu.
Oh. How do you feel?
Sweaty?
Sweaty? How do you feel? Ah!
Feel like that.
And you? You're eating an orange and you took an extra. Oh my word. Trouble. How do you feel, Koa? Are you tired? Yeah. You sweaty?
Come here, buddy. Come here.
Johanna, you glisten.
I know. Oh,
I wonder if I turned it up on accident.
Dad, can we have
No.
Chick-fil-A?
it's just it's self-adjusting. That's